Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to try and help kickstart your day. And here is your quote for today. Ships don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. Don't let what's happening around you get inside you and weigh you down. The stuff that'll weigh you down is only what you let in. If your stress was measured in a bath, as the bath fills up with the different stresses going on, pull the plug out. If it was never taken out, eventually that bath is going to overflow and maybe you'll just feel so overwhelmed that you just can't cope. You are just like a ship. Your body is a vessel carrying your mind and soul on this adventure called life. Keep the decks clear and you'll sail off into the sunset.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.